Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you half of my slime collection. This is the first video, part 1. So this is my first slime. I'm only going to show you about 5 of them. So this first slime is I got it online, and I added some lotion. It's not really like stretchy. Well, it is stretchy, but it's kind of like, it doesn't poke or make any crunching noises. It's just like stretchy. Okay. Sorry, I got it in my hands. The next one. These are my favorites, by the way. But I have another favorite. This is a cloud slime. I have to get it all out. It smells like cherries, and it's like pretty stretchy. Doesn't rip really. It's called green berry. Okay, this one was Flarp, but I added some lotion and beads. It's not really stretchy, but this one is also it, but I'm not going to get it out. Okay, so it's pretty stretchy. It's got some glitter in it and a little foam beads, just like a couple. It doesn't go in the container that well. And the last one is called, well, it was color changing, but I added lotion and it stopped color changing, and it was clear, but I added lotion. I'm just going to get half of it out, and it's not clear anymore, but it's metallic. It's stretchy. It pokes. Here. And it doesn't really stick. You can put it anywhere and it wouldn't stick, except for your clothes. I got it from Walmart for $2, I think. But I didn't get it here where I live, in this town. I got it an hour away. So this is the same Flarp slime. It's got a big foam bead in it. There's also a favorite, but I don't have it with me right now. It's a cloud slime. It'll be in the next part 2. So this is, I don't remember what I named it, but if I said it earlier in the video, then there you go. It's Flarp. Added some lotion into it. So that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.